Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Turkish citizenship. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so obtaining a Turkish citizenship can be achieved through several different pathways, which include naturalization, marriage, descent, or investment. So here's a general guide on how to acquire a Turkish citizenship. So number one here is citizenship by investment. So one of the most popular ways a lot of people do is to obtain a Turkish citizenship is through investment. So with real estate investment, so if you purchase real estate worth at least $400,000, the property must be held for at least 3 years. Capital investment, so you invest a minimum of $500,000 in fixed capital. Job creation, so create jobs for at least 50 people. Bank deposit, so deposit at least $500,000 in a Turkish bank and maintain the deposit for at least 3 years. And government bonds, so purchase government bonds worth at least $500,000 and hold on to them for 3 years at least. And now, citizenship by naturalization, so to apply for a Turkish citizenship through naturalization, you generally need to have legally reside in Turkey for at least 5 consecutive years without interruption, demonstrate the intention to settle in Turkey, for example, by owning property, having a job, etc., have a basic knowledge of the Turkish language, have a good character and no criminal record, be in good health. And the third way here is citizenship by marriage. So if you're married to a Turkish citizen, you may be eligible for citizenship. Requirements include being married to a Turkish citizen for at least 3 years, living together as a family, not engaging in activities that could harm the marital union, not posing a threat to national security or public order. The fourth way here is citizenship by descent. So you may be eligible for citizenship by descent. Requirements include proving that at least one of your parents is a Turkish citizen, providing necessary documentation such as birth certificates and proof of parentage. And number five is special cases. So there's some special cases where you might be eligible for Turkish citizenship, such as being recognized as a refugee, making extraordinary contributions to Turkey in the field of science, tech, culture, sports, or business. And now with the application process, so what you want to do is gather all required documents, including passports, birth certificates, proof of residence, marriage certificates, investments, etc. And then what you need to submit your application. So submit your application to the Provincial of Immigration Administration of the Turkish consulate in your home country. And then you may be required to attend an interview and demonstrate your knowledge of the Turkish language and culture. And now, once all is said and done, and if you are improved, will receive your Turkish citizenship and can apply for a Turkish passport. And now I've just jotted down some important considerations too. So, with legal assistance, it may be beneficial to seek legal assistance to navigate the application process, especially for investments or complex cases. And be aware of any tax implications associated with obtaining Turkish citizenship. And with a dual citizenship, Turkey allows a dual citizenship, but you should check whether your home country permits it or not. So yeah, for the most accurate and up to date information, it is advisable to consult the official website of the Turkish government or contact the nearest Turkish consulate.